Hello everyone, my name is Sebastian. I'm working for Nordson EFD here in Feldkirchen. Today I'm going to show you a cool device. We recommend this to customers. They have needle dispensing. Once you have a needle dispensing, it's necessary to have a clean needle. Let's say you move from one dot to the next one, you need to have a clean needle. Otherwise you transport the dirt to the next one, and we do not recommend this. So here I'm going to show you the device. We're going to dispense first on some substrate to make the needle a little bit dirty, and then we're gonna move into our cleaning device. This device uses air to suck off all the dirt you've seen on the needle. And this is a clean process. We recommend you will have nice, and repeatability is better.